Nice job, Gareth, with standardising your cleaning supplies by labelling them, giving them exact home. And Josh dusting the tops of the lights. Damien with a before and after, fixing what bugged him and repairing the oven wall, screwing it back, and also adding a scraper to help him clean. Alex gluing down his floor mat to protect the floor, and Jim with a fantastic improvement with the packing team, adding more corners for a pallet location. Also clearly marked out goods in area with a Kanban post. Great job. And also combined effort to upgrade the Kanbans. And Jake with another finalising of improvements in the kitchen and bathroom. So you definitely can leave it better than we found it. The standard's great, the answers are where the questions are asked, so there's no struggle. I think there's no excuse not to follow a standard now. Everything is labelled, everything is exactly where you need it, and it's fantastic. Great job. I just wanted to add this cool video from 3 years ago when we had some fun with 3S.
Damn! Printer for sale 2019.